Alright, I'm going to do a video of this. Maybe somebody can come in real quick and tell me what might be going on. I replaced the ignition coil day before yesterday, and the issue persists. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. It's not starting, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it over. That's all she's doing. I have no clue what's going on with this thing. It has really got me stumped. It done the same thing at the rest area the other day. I thought it was the ignition coil, but apparently not. I really need to find something else. I love this car. I've had a lot of memories in this car so far, but I really need to find something else. But right now, without this, I'm kind of screwed. So please, hopefully somebody out there can actually tell me something pretty quick.